What's cracking, YouTube? What's shaking, baby? Y'all already know your girl is back with another Shein Try On Haul. So I already know that you guys love these videos just as much as I do. I might actually love them a little bit more, but whatever. So Shein actually contacted me to do another video with them. Yeah, I already know I had to do that. Shout out to Shein for getting your girl right this summer, period. But without further ado, we're just gonna bust right into this thing and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So before we get into this package, I just want to let you guys know that the package was shipped on July 18th and the estimated shipping time was August 10th that it would be here, but it is now July 23rd and the package actually got here yesterday, so it took about a week. So yeah, let's get into this and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this time I think I really did it up. This time I really just tried to get things that I found appealing. I tried to get bougie on a budget. I tried to do it up one time for the one time. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So I haven't even opened this package yet. I don't remember what I even ordered, but I know I got some goodies in here, so. Excuse me? You guys, this is not what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. I knew this box looked small. Okay. See, and I knew that the tracking number had said that the package was gonna get here on August 10th and it ain't August 10th yet. So what is going on here? No biggie. We just gonna have to switch the flow of this video right now. So, welcome to my Shein Bikini try-on haul because that is what is in this box. I wasn't prepared to do this today. Whatever, we about to get into it because honey, yes. And I'm going to the beach again this weekend, so this came in handy. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got 10 bikinis right here, so we're gonna go ahead and get into these bikinis, honey. Anything you want when you sexy. Money make me feel good. People don't impress me. Sorry, I'm a guy with a stroke. It's a blessing. Okay, you guys, so first of all, let me just say that everything that came in the box is individually packaged, like I just showed you guys. All of these suits are in these really cute, like, summer themed Shein bags. And everything that they sent me was in a size small, just for reference purposes, but let's just get into it. So this is the first one that I'm gonna be trying on. This is the polka dot V-wired Underwire bikini swimsuit, size small, and it's in the color pastel baby blue. Honestly, I've never had bathing suits from Shein before, so I'm kind of scared, but I'm also very excited because these look really cute online. Here's the top, you guys. Super, super cute. I love the pattern. I love the color. And then these are the bottoms. These are probably gonna be pretty cheeky. We're gonna go ahead and try this on. Alright guys, so here it is on. This one is so cute. The overall quality is so nice. I love the color. I love the fit. I'm gonna just show you guys the top, the back. It has a tie right here. I am really tied in the right spot, but you guys get the idea. And here it is without the padding. Honestly, on this one, I kind of like the padding, so I'm probably gonna stick it back in. I'm just holding the strings back here because it's falling off. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. The next one that I'm pulling out, guys, this is the tie-dye triangle Tanga beach swimsuit. It's just pretty much a basic, like, little triangle bathing suit. It does have padding in it. I'm probably gonna end up taking the padding out because I don't usually like padding in my triangle bathing suits, but here's what she looks like. It's just this brown tie-dye pattern, and then here's the matching bottoms, looking very cheeky, but I like that. So I don't know if y'all like that, but that's my speed, so I already feel like I'm gonna love this one. I really do like the brown tie-dye though. That's really, really cute. Here's this one on. I really do like it. I already took out the padding because the padding was just not it on this one. But yeah, like I said, I do love the pattern of this one. It feels super comfortable. It fits me nicely. The back of this one is just a basic tie and it's not a halter. It just Has the 2 straps on both sides. This one's pretty basic, I mean, but it's cute though. Let me know what you think. Okay, so bam. This one is in a bigger bag, I don't know why. And this one honestly is the one that I'm really most excited for. This is the holographic metallic underwire high cut bikini swimsuit in a size small, and the color is blue, but it's really like a metallic finish. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, this is different. And then here's the bottoms. So yeah, it's like literally metallic and different, but we're gonna go ahead and try this one on though. I'm super excited. This might be a little out of my league, I don't know. This one is different. Like, I'm loving the color of this. I'm loving, like, it just looks so attractive and like different. I don't know, I just feel like if my boobs were bigger here, this might be a little more attractive, but whatever. I mean, I do love this one so much. I think it's so cute, it's so different. It is a thong bottom, so that's just something to be aware of. And the texture of this is like, I don't know, it kind of feels, I want to say latexy. It doesn't feel like cotton or swimsuit material. Like, it feels really different, but at the same time it's still comfortable, it's still stretchy, so you don't have to worry about that. But I don't know, I really do like this one. This is different for me, so I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think. Next we have something else that's pretty different thing. This is the knot front tie side bikini swimsuit, and it's in bright royal blue. I'm already loving this color. Oh my god, guys, like, oof, this camera just is not doing it justice. It's so deep and like blue. So here's the top. It's just like literally a knot front, and it has like a halter top tie and then a tie in the back, and then here are the bottoms, and they just have 2 strings to tie on the sides. Once again, it looks pretty cheeky, so we're just gonna go ahead and see. If you guys could see this color in person, like, I feel like you guys are not getting the right gist. Like, you guys are just not getting the right energy that I need you to get. Like, I know it looks cute, it looks, oh yeah, oh that one's nice, but nah, in person, this one is popping. Like, this color is something crazy. If I could get another suit in this color, because this is a little kitty for me, but this color is fire. Like, this color is so dope. Even though I'm not crazy about like the style of it, I'll wear it just cause I love the color. I don't know about you guys, but I am loving these bathing suits so far. Like, these bikinis are bomb fire, and they're just so different from like the norm. Like, these are really like some different type of bikinis. So this one that I'm pulling out, this is the velvet high cut bikini swimsuit, and she's in pastel baby pink. And sis, this is a suede bikini. Do you hear me? Like, this is really some suede material. Like, this is really very, very cute. I haven't seen nothing like this. I mean, maybe like online and stuff, but definitely not in person. Like, who's really out here rocking a suede bikini? So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this one for you guys. You guys, I freaking love this one. Like, this is such a cute, basic, baby pink suede. I'm chilling, I'm vibing, I'm living. This bathing suit is really like calm, cute vibes. Like, it is so comfortable. It feels nice. The color is popping. Like, it's just cute. It's just very solid, very basic. And then the back, it's not even a tie back. Like, sis, you just slip this on and you just go. Like, this one's honestly one of my favorites. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments, like, which ones you guys like the most. The next one that I have here, guys, this is the Smocked Bandeau tie side bikini swimsuit, and it's in the color bright mint green. That's another thing, like, they literally have color options of bright, and these colors are actually really popping. Like, these colors are very bright and they just look so good. Like, I know they're gonna look so good on the beach, they're gonna look so good on the skin. So here's the top. I'm having a bit of a deja vu right now because I literally have this bikini in yellow that I got from like an AliExpress vendor, I think. and I really do love this. But now I have it in this like teal mint color, and this is so freaking cute, guys. And I'm not gonna lie, the Shein one honestly feels like it's a little bit better quality than the one that I had from AliExpress. So I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and try this one on. So you guys, here it is on. It's very cute. I already knew I loved this bathing suit because like I said, I have one in this style. So this is honestly another one of my favorites, but what's really getting me about this one is this color, honey. Like when they say bright, they're not playing. I know you guys can't see it how I can see it, but it's really a poppin' like mint Tiffany green, blue, teal color, and like it's really just going crazy right now. Y'all can't even see it, and that's what's getting me tight. But this one is super cute, and it just has double ties in the back, which is also really cute. So let me know what you guys think. Next we have, this is the Solid Bikini swimsuit in black, size small, and this is $9. This is just a pretty basic one from what I'm seeing on this photo. This is the top, very simple, very basic, but still looks cute. It's good to have, you know, like a basic little black bathing suit like this for when you want to keep it simple, for when you want to keep it classy, for when you don't want to be doing too much, you know what I mean? So here's the bottoms, just a basic little thongkini, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this on. So here's the next one. There's not really too much to say about it. It's pretty basic. The only thing I can say is that this one, out of all of the ones that I've tried on so far, it feels a little thin, kind of. Like it kind of feels on the cheaper side. I'm not gonna hold you. And then I also feel like it's so small right here. I mean, like, I don't know, like some people might like that, but like I feel like the width of like this portion of the bathing suit, it's just too thin for me. Like I don't think it looks attractive. I think it would look a little bit better if like, I don't know, if it were a little bit thicker. But yeah, just pretty basic. The bottoms are a thong just like the rest. The back is just a basic slip-on just like this with two straps on the sides. So you know, it's cute or whatever. So next we have the rib cutout thong bikini swimsuit. So y'all already know it's about to be a thong. Why you acting like you surprised? So we just had a little basic black one, so this is more like the basic white one, you know. This is the top. It's ribbed and it feels like really good quality. The back is kind of cut out. Then here's the thong. Literally the front is like the same size as the back, so it's definitely a thong. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so here's this one on. Like I said, she's pretty basic. It's really comfortable, it fits nice. I don't have any complaints about this one. It's just really basic. I mean, I like the ribbed effect on it, and I really like the open cuts in the back. I think this one's really cute. It's very comfortable and it's a go for me. The next one that we have, this is the tie-dye frill bandeau to side bikini swimsuit, and it's size small just like everything else, and this one was $12. Huh? Okay, it's just a little hard for me to understand what's going on here because in the picture it looks like the other one that I just tried on, the blue one, but right here it is feeling so thick. Like what? It looks like a diaper or a face mask. Like I don't know, but this just doesn't look, it looks like it's a size extra large honestly, but it says small, so I'm not sure. We're just gonna have to try her on. But here are the bottoms, and they're just tie side bottoms. Pretty cute, pretty basic. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what's really going on with this, because okay. What in the actual is going on here? I can't even pose in this because you guys, like, I was trying to get everything situated, but there's just no situating this situation. Like, I don't have saggy boobs, so I don't understand. Like, what are you telling me right now? Okay, I'm gonna try and take out these pads. I mean, it looks a little bit better, I guess. It still just looks so oversized, and no matter like how I scrunch this, like the top just doesn't look appealing to me. Hold on, I'm gonna try something else. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of hate that too. You guys already know anything that I don't think I'm ever gonna wear, I love to give to you guys. So at the end, just stay tuned, and I'm gonna be giving this bathing suit away if you guys like this. but not least, we have, this is the ruched frill barda thong bikini swimsuit. Why does that sound so hard to say? It sounds like it's like French or something. Like, next we have the ruched frill barda thong bikini swimsuit. I feel like that's how you're supposed to say it. So this is a size small, and this one is $12, guys. This one actually looks really cute though. This is the top, and like it says, it is ruched. It just like has these little sides that your arms are gonna go through. So I feel like that's gonna look really cute once it's on. And then here's the bottoms. It just has two little strings over here. There's no tie. She looking real thong-like. Okay guys, so this is the last one, and let me just say that I freaking love this one. This is another one of my favorites. I'm loving like the bottom, how it has these two little separated straps. I'm loving the ruching on the top. It just looks a little more sophisticated. It looks a little more sexy. Like, yes, I love this. But yeah, the quality of this feels really nice. It looks really nice in person. Like, I'm definitely gonna get a dope picture in this bikini, honey. So let me know what you guys think about this one. All right, you guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. All of these bathing suits were under $15. Like, hello. And you know what? Hold on, I'm about to make it even cheaper for you. Enter my coupon code Sarah Says for 15% off. But yes, girl, Shein really did that. Oh, before I forget, I do want to do a giveaway because this bathing suit, I feel like the top would look so much better on somebody with bigger breasts, because I don't know, it just wasn't fitting my little boobies. I'm gonna be giving this swimsuit away. It's just the tie-dye ruffled one that I had tried on. And just so you know, I left the panty protector on, girl, stop playing with me. But yeah, it's a size small. Honestly, I don't think that really matters. Like, I feel like you could be a size large and still wear this because it is adjustable, and the boob pieces are huge. So, you know, I really feel like anybody with bigger boobs should enter this giveaway. If you guys want this, even if you have smaller boobs and you think that it looked okay, I mean, it's totally up to you, girl, do you. So to enter this giveaway, all I want you guys to do is run up the comments. Like, just comment, like, subscribe. Whoever I notice in the comments, I will select them, I'll reach out, shipping information, name, and we'll get everything situated. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was so much fun. I love working with Shein. I love their products. Like, so guys, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. But yeah, you guys, I mean, stay tuned. New videos every week. You already know. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.